Yo, Dragon Slayer 7, man. Thanks for the 250 bits. He says, you're a poopy head.
Oh my god, bro, you appeared out of nowhere. What up, homie?
Star Wars.
Hey, bro, I hate that show. That TV show is all.
What are you doing?
I'm posting false information on the web.
Why?
It's fun.
Admire the way you broke the British power, but I have a dream that one day you'll take a shower.
That's it, Brian? Yes.
Devastation.
東方丈介、お前はこの20らを奥安のザ・ハンドが消す。
I have two sides.
I'm just riding on my bike and
Eat first. Prank him, John. You already know. Oh!
That heavy is a spy! That heavy is a spy! You little fuck!
Grab me if you want. Nothing will unfuck the Thanksgiving turkey.
Well, it's funny you should... I mean, see, George, they're onto us!
Let's get out of here.
No! Now you done it. You won't like Doc when he's angry.
No! No! Release me! I gotta add this to my cringe compilation!
Hello there. There's something you should see. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Yes. Let's go. Whoa!
Ah! We can go now. Okay.
my neighbors asked me to help them carry some stuff while they were moving. I said, nah, man, call the fucking movers. Bro, they deadass called the fucking movers. Holy shit.
Hey, Palpatine.
Yes, Darth Vader.
If you don't jump down there, you're gay.
Bet.
Is he Jetstream Sam?
Skim milk.
Sticky, sticky, dip.
Go to the front of the
What's up, guys? It's Quandale Dingle here. I have been arrested for multiple crimes, including battery on a police officer, grand theft, declaring war on Italy, and public indecency. I will be escaping prison on March 28th. After that, I will take over the world.
I don't much like the tone of your voice.
If I chop you up in a meat grinder, and the only thing that comes out that's left of you is your eyeball, you're probably dead. You're probably going to... Not you, I'm just saying, like, if somebody were to, like, push you into a meat grinder, and, like, one of your finger bones is still intact, they're not gonna pick it up and go, well, see, yeah, it wasn't an instant kill move. You still got, like, this part of your finger left. I'm not gonna put you into a meat grinder. I'm not gonna put you into a meat grinder.
This is Buck. Buck, the vocab mascot, to encourage you to do your bucking vocab. If you don't do your bucking vocab and we lose the vocab bowl, I kill the dog.
You've reached your limit on talking. Shut the fuck up.
Square Enix fans, does this ever happen to you?
Hey there everyone, Sharpshooter. I know it's been a while since I actually posted anything, and I'm actually trying to figure out on how to, well,
I'm going to show you how to draw super good art, like me.
On the computer, but that's been just a problem on its own. So, whenever that does happen,
it is a girl with a penis.
And I know I haven't posted in a while as well, so I don't really have much of a motivation for that nowadays, so I'll give you this for the time being, and I'll try and work on some more things around that. But whoever's still watching these videos, I commend
you. Hey Vanilla, look what I found. What does it do? I don't know, let me test it out. Oh!
What it really means to live life golden.
Hi, Herbert.
So you think covering up something disgusting by using something beautiful?
Isn't that why y'all bitches wear fucking makeup?
McRib.